In this video, I'm going to show you 3 native tricks in Final Cut Pro to give your footage some character in less than a minute. Open up Luma Curves for surgical control. Draw a quick S-curve, bring down the blacks for depth, but keep an eye on your whites. The secret is maintaining a smooth roll-off on the highlights to simulate a film-like response. A few seconds in, and your image already looks more balanced. Let's break that perfect sensor look. Go to the Generators panel under Solids and drag the Grayscale generator over your clip. Now, apply the Add Noise effect, choose Gaussian, check monochrome, and change the blend mode to overlay. Drop the opacity until it's almost invisible. This removes that flat digital sheen and gives the image an organic feel. Let's get rid of that static look. Apply the default handheld effect, but crank the distance and shake values down to almost 0, around 0.002. It should just simulate that very slight edge drift typical of film projectors. Now your clip has some character. 3 quick steps, 0 plugins, maximum results for when you're in a rush. Try them out on your next project and let me know in the comments which one saved your edit. See you in the next video.